Right, put your biscuits in a bag and then just crush it with your rolling pin. Oops. I'm now adding the 100 ml of melted butter to the biscuit. Don't add extra butter because then your base will just turn hard. The butter turns hard. Then it's too thick and clumpy and you don't want that. I'm going to use my hand now. Just mix the two together and this will form your base. I use 250 grams of biscuit with 100 ml of melted butter. Right, so I've mixed the melted butter with the biscuit. I'm going to place it in the container and then I'm going to press it down. So it's the digestive biscuit with 100 grams of melted butter, and this amount will make 2 of these. So 2. So now I'm going to place it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes while I'm making the topping. Hi, this is my new apron. It arrived today. I'm so happy with my purchase. I love the color, it's nice and bright, and I love the pattern, the design on it. So if you're interested in buying it, I'll put the link down below in the description. So make sure, Christmas is coming up. It's a lovely gift for your mom, sister, friend, whoever, even the husband, who knows. Lovely Christmas present. So look for the link below if you're interested in buying it. Right, I'm going to zest the orange peel. So I'm going to put some of the zest inside the filling and some I'm going to use for decoration. Try not to peel the white part, that's quite bitter. Just peel the orange, the lemon skin, the yellow part. Yes, that's it. So that's the zest. I'm going to use that in a minute. Now I'm going to juice the lemons. And I'm juicing all 3 lemons. all 4 lemons juiced, and now I'm going to pour it in. Oh, let me first see if I can get the pips out. I'm actually going to pour it in this way. Get some of the fruit in as well. And I'm going to add the cream. So I've got the condensed milk in there, the lemon juice. I'm going to add the cream. And then some of the zest. Right. So here we go. Oh, it smells nice, the condensed milk and the lemon together. Let me get it in. Right, so here's the biscuit base, and there's the lemon cream and the condensed milk. So I'm just going to pour that on top. So this, I'm going to surprise 2 of my friends and deliver this to their home. Just hope they are home. So this will stay in my fridge overnight, and tomorrow I will deliver it to their homes. I might make an appointment now. Tell them I'll pop in quick for a chat or something. This one has too much. Looks better. Right, so now I'm just going to put some lemon zest on top. And I'm going to take 1 biscuit and I'm just going to crush it over there. So it's just 1 biscuit. and crushing over the top. And there we have it, 2 lemon Fridge Tarts. Delicious. I'm sure they will be delighted to have a personal delivery Fridge Tart.
Having you here, my first guest in my new kitchen in the pandemic.
I feel so privileged because your kitchen looks like a real showroom.
Oh, thank you.
It's beautiful. And look at the spread she has made for me. I feel so honored. Thank you, Farah.
You're most welcome, my pleasure.